Infatuate. To be overly in love or obsessed with someone. Example, he was infatuated with his classmate and couldn't stop thinking about her. Amulet. A small item or object that people wear or carry to bring good luck or to protect them from harm. Example, she wore an amulet to keep away bad luck. Sin. A bad action in religious or moral belief. Example, lying is considered a sin in many religions. Intuition. A feeling or understanding without reasoning. Example, her intuition told her something was wrong. Exasperate. To annoy or frustrate someone. Example, his laziness exasperates his teacher. Occupy. To take up space or time. Example, most of the shelves are occupied of books. Panegyric. A speech or writing that says good things about someone or something. Example, the panegyric honored the hero's bravery. Jihad. A struggle or effort, especially in religious or spiritual situations, means trying very hard to do something good. Example, for some, jihad means striving to improve themselves. Hair-raising. Very scary or exciting. Example, the roller coaster ride was hair-raising. Sensible. Showing good judgment. Example, it's sensible to save money for emergencies. Literate. Able to read and write. Example, most children start school to become literate. Illiterate. Unable to read and write. Example, some adults are illiterate and want to learn. Affection. A feeling of love or liking. Example, the dog showed affection by wagging its tail.